How to fade in and fade out a video in InShot. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn if we can fade out, how we can fade in or fade out a video in InShot. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So if you want to fade in and fade out a video in InShot, go ahead and open up an InShot and select the video in which you want to apply the effect to. Once it is selected, you'll be finding a video right under this timeline. So above it, you'll be finding different editing options once you've selected the video. So you just need to go ahead and look out for the options called animation, this one right here. Go ahead and tap on it. And here you'll be finding in, out, combo, and loop. So from this in section, you can go to and select fade. And once that is done, you can find this. And you can also set up a timer for the fade to be done. And same for the fade out as well. You can go to the out section right here and select fade again and apply it on fade out. You can select the timer for fade out as well. So you can see these blue and purple marks. You can see these blue and purple marks. That means the fade in and fade out effect has been applied. So that is how you do it. Follow up this method. After that is done, you can export of the video into your own device and you can apply up the video. So that is how you fade in and fade out a video in InShot by following up those methods. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.